In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok following list private. First thing you need to do is locate the TikTok app on your phone and tap it to open it up. And then go to profile icon on the bottom right. On the top left, look for the menu icon. Tap it. And look for settings and privacy and tap that. Now, in the account section, under account, you will see privacy, tap that. Tap down until you see following list. Tap it. By default, you can see everyone. And tap only you. If you select only you, other users will only see mutual friends. Tap the cross, tap back, and tap back again. And that's it. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, I'd be grateful if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Maybe even turn on the notification bells to be informed when another how-to video is live. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.